Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching hardware and software so input goes where you expect. Plug in the USB scanner and verify Windows recognizes it as HID or a COM port. Install drivers only if prompted. Open your Excel file and select the exact cell where the first scan should land. Once done, turn on numlock when using keyboard wedge devices, and note the scanner's suffix/prefix settings. These determine how Excel moves between cells after each scan. Next, configure how scan data is delivered and how Excel receives it. Program the scanner to add a tab or enter after each code so Excel jumps to the next cell automatically. That eliminates manual clicks. For serial scanners, confirm COM port number and use Power Query or a small VBA macro to read from the port. Make a proper Excel table or named range to keep columns aligned. This lets you paste or append data cleanly and prevents format shifts when many scans are. Finish by running a full test. Scan several barcodes and watch Excel populate the table. If fields need splitting, add a VBA routine or use text to columns to parse delimiters. Include a timestamp macro and an autosave step to protect data. If nothing appears, make sure Excel is the active window, confirm the COM port and driver, and recheck scanner suffix settings. If intermittent input happens, try a different USB port or replace the cable to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.